You're welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to be talking about the transmission. Okay, some call it gearbox. So is your transmission sleeping, or it's just a sensor? Ignoring these early signs, this warning sign I'm going to share to you on this video might result to the fastest way to kill your car. Okay, so in this video I will uncover the subtitle, the subtle noise, shakes, smells that mean your transmission is in trouble. Okay, and exactly what to do when you notice them. Don't wait for check engine light. Okay, so when you notice any of these signs I'm going to mention on the video, it's just for you to take a fast step ahead to avoid unnecessary spending of thousands of dollars out there. So stay tuned in the video if this is what you would like to get. I urge you to watch the video to the end so that you get the full option of what you need, and also you subscribe to the channel so you get more video like this. Okay, so this early sign, the warning sign of the transmission problem, comes in a different way. So sometimes it could be unusual noise such like whining, humming or grinding. Okay, then sometimes it could be hesitant or jerky shifting, and also it could be a burning smell that you're perceiving from your gearbox or your transmission. So as we dive in, the first warning sign you'll notice might probably observe when your transmission is going bad is transmission sleeping. Though depending on the fault that your transmission got, but I brought let's say 5 of them that you can observe or probably observe when the transmission is going faulty. So you might notice the transmission sleeping. So what do I mean by the transmission sleeping? The transmission sleeping, this is a process whereby your vehicle, your transmission goes out of gear when driving. Okay, so you might be driving at let's say 60 kilometers, and suddenly you'll notice that the vehicle just goes out of gear or slipped out of gear, and the RPM just went high, and then eventually it slipped in back. That is what we mean by transmission slipping out. So that could be a sign that the transmission is going bad. Though I'm not sharing the repair to it, but it's just for you to take to a nearest mechanic and get it fixed before it results to higher problems. So like I said earlier, we are to talk about the warning signs of a transmission trouble, okay, before it goes too late or probably becomes too late. So the first I've mentioned was the transmission sleeping. Okay, so when we dive into the next, we have a delayed engagement. Okay, so to talk about the delayed engagement, this is a process whereby, as a normal driver or everyone out there, when you want to move, you expect your vehicle to be inspected as you engage on drive for it to once engage and you start driving. But the delayed engagement now comes in. This is when you engage, maybe you probably set the gear lever on drive or maybe reverse, and you notice that even as it is on the drive, you accelerate, but no way, it's still there, no moving. Okay, so maybe after like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, it will engage by itself. Man, that is a sign to tell you that your transmission is going bad. So sometimes this delayed engagement is usually caused by a low oil. Okay, sometimes maybe a faulty sensor, but I'm not talking about the cause. I'm just telling you the key warning sign that your vehicle, your transmission is about to endanger high trouble for you to carry to the nearby mechanic and get it fixed. So the key point to our number 2 is rough or erratic shifting. Okay, so what I mean by the rough or erratic shifting is when you're driving, we all expect our vehicle to shift to the next gear smoothly. But if you observe that when your vehicle, your transmission is about to shift to the next gear, it jerks. Okay, man, it's a first warning sign to tell you that your transmission is going bad. Okay, so you notice a jerk, maybe hesitate or feels clunky. when changing gear. Okay, so that means your vehicle is trying to tell you that the transmission is going bad. Okay, so it's not expected that you should get anything rough or erratic shifting. So this mention the transmission slipping, the delayed engagement, rough or erratic shifting are the early sign of a transmission problem. So 3 has been mentioned. We're gonna dive in to the next, which is the number 4. So in some case, when the transmission is going bad, you might just be hearing unusual noise. Okay, it could be humming, buzzing, or possibly grinding sound when in neutral or driving. Okay, so that's probably maybe your transmission is going bad. Because okay, let's say for instance you park the vehicle, the noise goes away. Then if you just engage on drive or reverse, you start hearing humming noise, buzzing, or grinding sound. It's trying to tell you that, bro, your transmission is going bad. Okay, so we have the valve body to cause that. There are so many sensors under the gearbox. It could be the problem. We have the oil pump, low fluid, and other speed sensor could be the problem. But we are not diagnosing the fault. I'm just telling you the key signs to tell you that your transmission is about to go bad or fall into trouble, for you to take a step before it steps you aside. So we have a burning smell. This is when you notice smell when driving. Okay, it could be a foul, smoking. Although often indicate that the transmission is overheating, the fluid is overheating. Okay, so sometimes it's usually because your transmission is overgauged. Okay, but I don't know, but that could probably be the problem. Okay, so you just have to locate the nearer mechanic, then they will get it fixed. Don't use your vehicle as you are perceiving the foul or smoky odor. Don't use it that way, because you end up um, spoiling your transmission. Okay, and that would lead to thousands of dollars spending. So we have the check engine light. Okay, this light can illuminate when the computer detects transmission issue. But I guess if you're waiting for the light, man, you might be in a big trouble or danger, because the light might not quickly as expected start illuminating, which would cause a problem to your transmission. Okay, so if you have noticed any of these signs mentioned above without seeing the check engine light, it's advised that you take a step before you have been stepped down. So the check engine light is also a warning sign that, yeah, your transmission is bad. So even a feeling of hesitation when putting your car in gear, or maybe vehicle in gear but so dull, like man, so slow, no force, no power to move. The vehicle is accelerating, RPM is going up, but the vehicle is not moving as you expect it to move. Man, your transmission is trying to tell you that it's faulty, or like being attacked by other things. That could be oil, that could be the pump, that could be, man, whatever it is. So it's just for you to take action before they action you. So man, vehicle dragging or loss of power to move, even when RPM engine is raising, accelerating expectedly, and vehicle is not moving, it could be your transmission is bad. So in summarization, what I'm trying to tell you guys is addressing these early signs, these early symptoms of a transmission can prevent transmission failure and also significantly reduce the cost of repair. So don't wait for your transmission to go like totally damaged before you, man, try to fix or find out the problem, because that could cause high repair cost. So without much being said, I've come to an end of the video. I hope this help people out there to know the warning sign that, yeah, their transmission is about to be attacked. Okay, so I urge you guys to stay subscribed to the channel. More video content like this are coming. Also, we talk about the engine, the legs, the transmission. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Octo Repair Guy. Big shout outs to each and every one of you out there.